Let's count. Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Who comes after 10? 11.
12, 15.
Good job counting to 15. Very good. What did you have for breakfast this morning? What did you eat? What did you eat this morning? What did you eat for breakfast this morning? Did you have strawberries?
I want milk.
You want milk?
Yeah.
Did you have an egg?
Milk.
Okay. I can get you more milk. Do you know what we're going to do today? It's Easter today. Can you say Happy Easter? We're going to go to church and you're going to color with Lindsay and read books with Lindsay at church.
Yeah.
It's Easter. And then we're going to come back. You don't want the music on? What do you want to do today?